Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you. I got this Craftsman 7.25 horsepower, the Platinum, and as you can see here, I can pull the cord and there's nothing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this Phillips screw and this Phillips screw right here. Now I can take this off and get it out of the way. I'm going to take out three little bolts. There's one here, and one here, and they are 5/16. Now there's one more bolt. It's right down under here. It holds the gas tank on it. It is a 3/8. If you come down here on the side where the red lid is to the gas tank, you go straight down, and you can see it right there. Looks like this once you get it out. Now you should be able to take your gas tank assembly here and just kind of move it out of the way. You can leave the gas line hooked up because it's not going to be in the way. Now I got 4 bolts holding this on. There's 2 in the front, 2 in the back. They're all 3/8. And I got 1 bolt here. It looks like a 1/4 inch bolt, and it takes off the mechanism holding the dipstick on. Now I should be able to pull this here up and away. This is the old dipstick and stuff, so put it out of the way and don't tip your motor sideways because oil will come out of it. Now I should be able to just lift this up off of there. And right there they are. Look at that. They're laying inside there. I thought that was the fingers came off of it. There's 2 of them. They're not broke. Don't look like they're damaged. Looks like they just slipped out. So I'm going to put them back in. They came out from under this, so I'll take this off and see if it's damaged. If not, I'll slide them back under there and bolt it back up. Okay, if you have to, take a pair of hemostats, pull the rope out, and just snap these. Make sure they snap. That way it won't go back in. It'll hold it right there. Now I need to take it off and find out why these fell out. Okay, everything looks good. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. I'm going to drop them back down on there, bolt this down, and hopefully it won't do it again. Goes in there right like that. Right like that. Have no idea why they fell out. Okay, should be tight enough. Okay, now it's working. Everything looks like it tightened down pretty good. Well, I'll put it back together and see how long it lasts this time. Like this, do the same thing. Just put it back on the way you took it off. Looks like it needs to be blown out a little bit. Drop it on there. I can take this off now. Don't need it. Now, if you wasn't paying attention, when I took these bolts out, it had 2 long ones and it had 2 short ones. The short ones go in the back. The 2 longer ones go in the front. Now I'll go ahead and throw my dipstick back down in here. Right down here like that. And I'll put my bolt in it. Don't tighten it up too tight with that kind of impact because you will strip it out. Be very careful. Now go ahead and put my gas tank back together. I'll go ahead and start these top 3 bolts and then I'll put the bottom one in. Got the top 3. Now I'm going to shove this one in the bottom. Put it right down underneath here. Now go ahead, grab the cover. Get it untangled here. There we go. drop it on there. It should latch down about like that. And I'll put the 2 screws in there, and this job will be done. Now let's see if it works. Pull the handle back. Oh yeah, working now. Okay. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.